Hey guys, so today's going to be a little bit of a different video. As you can see here, I use Shotcut to edit my videos, and today we're editing Ready or Not. So something that I notice is I can't find any information on dynamic zooms in any videos on how to do a dynamic zoom. So here in front of us today, this is my newest Splitgate episode, episode 2, and I want the camera to zoom in on him while he's talking. So let's do that here. First, I'm going to click on my clip right here, and then we're going to go over to filters. We're going to add a size, position, and rotate filter. And that'll bring up this dialog box here. So normally what I would do was I would go and, make a cut, and then I would resize this by hand, and I could do a static cut that way, and it's pretty simple. But as far as keyframes go, we're going to come over here to this little stopwatch. We're going to click this stopwatch. And that's going to bring up our keyframes editing part. And so right about...
We got moved down to Fox.
Right after this motion,
Last mission went so poorly.
I would like to add a zoom. So what we can do, set our beginning here, and our end will be here, and then we can remove all keyframes. We can add a zoom in effect. I'm actually going to zoom in even more. So let's see what this looks like here.
Early, we got moved down to Foxtrot.
See, so there's a static jump there. Resetting it, and I bet these will...
So poorly, we got moved down to Foxtrot.
Yeah, okay. So there it goes. So obviously, I'm a little new at this as well, but I could not find any videos on how to do this. So essentially, we'll walk through it real quick. So you start at your timeline. You click on whatever clip that you want to mess with. If you want like a dynamic zoom, or you can even add animations with this as well, where let's say I have like a picture that I want over here, and I want it to come down across the screen and move. You can do the same thing with the keyframes. You can also make text move, all kinds of different stuff. But first, we'll just do the zoom. So you'll come over, you'll click the stopwatch. If there's already something, it'll prompt you to clear it. You can get rid of that. So then you'll click the stopwatch to basically on the part. You'll also need to specify where your start and stop is. That's over here with these brackets. But you're gonna put in there on the keyframe that you want it to start. And then if you want it to just be static, you'll just have the 1 and it'll just flip through it. You'll blip to it essentially. And if you want to, if you want it to slowly zoom in, then you can have one that starts here that's just on the normal position, and then one that has the zoom, and you'll have something that looks like this.
We got moved down to Foxtrot.
Which it's perfect. That's what I wanted. I hope you guys like this. I wish there were videos out there that told me how to do this. Subscribe for more content. This is a different kind of video that I don't normally do. I don't normally do tips and tricks, but I feel like this information needs to be out there, and hopefully it helps any of you who are working on Shotcut. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.